how to do blue comment on TikTok. So if you want to do a blue comment on TikTok, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now what you need to do is you just need to simply go with a video or a TikTok. So for example, I'll be choosing something. So you just need to simply go with the comment section. And once you go with the comment section, now here you will have the blue color comment, right? So if you want to comment or if you want to do a blue comment on TikTok, then you should know one thing, that to do a blue comment, you need to simply comment something which is related to the video. So if you've not commented that is related to the video, then it will not be in the blue ink. So what you need to do is you just need to simply enter a comment which is related to the video. So I'll be just commenting something. Now once you've commented, what you need to do is just like that, and you need to go back and remove the TikTok application and again open up your TikTok after a few minutes, and you can simply go with the profile which is on the bottom right and go with the likes and go with the TikTok video which you've just commented, go with the comments section, and after a few minutes you will have the blue comment. So just wait for a few minutes and you just need to simply go with the same process and you will have the blue comment. So that's how you can do a blue comment on TikTok, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.